read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter T. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter T, learn the words that start with the sound the sound t, t, t. Learn the formation of that letter T. So before starting our lecture, I want to tell you, make the flashcards of uppercase and lowercase letter T. Just focus on lowercase letter T. We will not start it from the first line, little bit down from the red dot, okay? Don't start it from the first line. Look over here. Make the flashcards of different vocabulary words. Here are 4 words like tie, tent, turtle, and teddy bear. You could display different toys, truck, train, your cup of tea, okay? After displaying these objects, ask different questions from the students. Then we will start our lesson. Firstly, we will teach how to write it. Uppercase letter T. Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line. It will make capital T. Start from the red dot. Come straight down, turn the loop, make a cut. It will make small t. Capital T, small t, and the sound of T is t, 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 t. Tiger. Tiger, t, t, t. Tie, t, t, t. Tent, t, t, t. Turtle, t, t, t. Teddy bear, t, t, t. Toys. These are soft toys. After that, we will teach about teamwork. Work together to solve the problem. If we will work together, so we could solve any kind of problem. Okay, it's story time. A turtle wore a tie. Oh my God, how funny. A turtle wore a tie. Its friend, teddy bear, admire his look. Together they enjoy a lovely picnic inside the tent. They are eating a lot of things. They are enjoying together. Look, wow. I hope so you understood how you have to teach in the class. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.